guys, welcome back. Just a quick intro. Today I'm cooking enchiladas the Norwegian way with cottage cheese. So I found this recipe online. I'm gonna put the link in the description. It will be in Norwegian, so just if you want to follow that, you can do that as well. I did take some things out of the recipe, but yeah, other than that, this is just how it was cooked, the process of it. I hope this helps a little bit. It turned out really good. Like videos like this, please put that in the comments. Also like the video and subscribe to the channel. Watch it and see what I made in the end. And yeah, I hope you enjoy the video. Let's cook, and I'm just gonna see you guys in the next one. This is what you need. So I'm going to explain to you when and what to use. So let's get started. So you start by preheating the oven to 250 degrees Celsius. Then you cook the meat in the pan. And when it turns kind of brownish, you add the taco mix into it as well. So you can see I'm adding a little bit of water. It's kind of up to you. Then we're going to add and creating the cheese that is going to be inside. So you just kind of start by mixing it together. You put the cottage cheese in a bowl, and then you add 5 deciliters of grated cheese and about 3 cloves of garlic. For the sauce, you add about like 3.5 deciliters of water, as well as 1 tablespoon of oil, teaspoon salt, 2 tablespoons tomato paste, 3 cloves of garlic. So you add all these into the little pan, mix it together until it boils and it's heated up enough. And whenever it boils, before you take it off, you add the salsa and the creme fraiche, which is like 2 deciliters of creme fraiche and 2 tablespoons of salsa. As you can see, I'm squeezing the garlic cloves in the garlic clove squeezer. Now we have created the sauce, the meat, and the cheese. So the creme fraiche will make the sauce lighter, as you can see right here. Now it's time for the tortillas. So you stuff the tortillas in a glass pan like I just did. This was a little smaller than expected, but you get the memo. After adding the tortillas, you put the meat in, every single one. I'm making 4. And then you add the cheese fill. And then in the end, you kind of close them up, and then you just pour all the sauce over the whole enchilada dish. Last but not least, you sprinkle a little bit of cheese and you put that baby into the oven. And it's supposed to be there for about 15 minutes.